New invention will change common sense. It is very traditional but very special smart. It is a common sense that a single pole switch only controls a single light. But now, it can control 3 or more lights independently along with a single wire. It becomes smart because there is a special circuit board inside or beside the light. Actually, every light has its own circuit board inside. The two boards can be combined together. It needs 3 single-pole switches and 3 control wires to control the 3 lights by using existing technology. With new technology, it is also very simple for controlling multiple lights at multiple positions. For example, if you want to control the 3 lights at doorway, bedside, and other locations, just installing the same switch at the 3 locations along with a hot wire. Then each switch can control the 3 lights independently. At the same time, there will be socket function beside the lights.
Okay.
By using existing technology, needs 2 kinds of complex switches, 6 3-way switches at start and end locations, 3 4-way switches at middle location, needs 6 wires between switches and 3 control wires. Switches, wiring and connection are all complex. With new technology, it is also incredibly simple to control 6 lights independently by 2 single-pole switches along with a single wire. Controlling at multiple locations is also very simple. Just installing the same switches at proper locations, such as at living room, dining room and other positions, along with the single wire. You can install 1 gang or 2 gang single-pole switches freely, according to your requirements. All are such simple. At the same time, there will be socket function beside the lights. With existing technology, needs 12 3-way switches at start and end locations, 6 4-way switches at middle location, and needs 12 wires between switches and 6 control wires. Switches, wiring and connection are all very complex. With new technology, a single pole switch not only can control lights, but also can control ceiling fan directly.